Okay, so here we are using my little Excel
Yep.
program. And so what I did is I said with one person in the room, 2, 3, that's that column in the first column there. The second column we made out of 365, that's the number of choices we're talking about.
Yep.
And then C, column C, to miss everyone, we started at 365, 364, 363, 362, all the way down. We just keep missing.
Yep.
And so for this column, the next column over, we computed the probability. This is what you noticed in the last video. We only needed to multiply what we had before by the one we just currently had, 364 over 365 or 363. This column computes the probability of everyone missing. So in other words, I take 100 times this, I get 99.73. To get 99.18, I take 99.73 times this number, which is 363 out of 365.
Yep.
That's what you noticed. So anyway, we just kind of walk down the line. So it's actually easy for a computer to help us with this problem.
Yeah.
And in this column, I take 1 minus this column. So for with one person, it was a 100% chance that no one would have this, that everyone would miss. So 0% chance of having a pair. With 2 people,
it was about 0.27.
well, actually, I can add a third column equals, 1 divided by this number. So with two people, it was a 1 in 365 chance, right?
Yep.
With 3 people, we said it was about 1 in 122.
Yeah.
All right, I'll just make it. Oh, actually, you know what? I better, for later, I'll go to 2 decimal points. Okay, and then we said this one was about 1 in 61.
Yep.
Okay, so now it's just easy. We just roll down the column. The next one's with 5 people.
Yep.
We get
About 30.
1 in 36.
Well, what does that round to?
1 in 37.
37. So about a 2.71.
% chance.
Yeah.
So it's got it.
Ever seen the number 2.71 before?
It's
828.
What would that be?
E.
E. That's funny. With 5 people, there's about an E% chance of 2 people having the same birthday. With 6 people?
4.05. We're increasing.
All right, so now with 6 people, we're already at a 4% chance. So you think it was going to be about 180 people
100.
to have a 50% chance
Now
of
it
having?
doesn't seem like it.
Okay, what would you revise your guess to be now?
Guess it's around 20 people now.
Okay, and what do you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna go around 15 people.
15, okay, well let's go down to 15. Tell me when we're at 15, is that it?
Yeah, it's 15.
Okay.
70.
So at 15, people were at about a 25% chance, or about 1 in 4.
So maybe about
Okay.
30.
So that's interesting. So are you ever in a group of 15 people? Ever?
Yeah.
When?
Usually at school.
Okay, at school.
Yeah.
All right. How many people are in your class in school?
About 24.
About 24, okay. So your classes have about 15 in them?
A little more.
A little more? Okay, well that's all right. The only difference is with your classes in school, going from class to class, you have a lot of the same kids in each of your classes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so your classes are not all selected at random. A single one of your classes was selected at random. It's just kids from the area going to the same school. But 2 of your classes are not totally selected at random because there's a lot of overlap. But in any case, there's about, if you have 15 kids in a class, there's about a 1 in 4 chance that that 2 people have the same birthday.
Go to 20 now.
Okay, let's go down to 20. Now we're at a 41%
So you
chance that
can
2
go
people have
a
the
little
same
more.
birthday.
Just go down maybe to 25.
At 25, we got a 56%
So about
chance.
here.
So
What is that?
23 people.
23 people.
Wow.
And you said your class has 24 people.
Yeah.
So, do 2 people have the same birthday in your class?
No.
No, everyone has a different birthday?
Yep.
Okay. Are there other classes in your in your school?
Yeah.
Maybe you could do a research project and see how many classes have someone who has the same birthday. Now, would it count if there was twins in your class and they had the same birthday? Would that be surprising?
Well, there aren't any twins in my class.
Okay.
We could go down further and see.
Oh.
I'm not sure when you are guaranteed. So around
Oh.
366, you're guaranteed.
Yeah, around 366 you're guaranteed. With 29 people, you're already at a 68% chance that two people have the same
That
birthday.
seems strange because like you would only need like, 20.
96. So
Hold on, I'll come back to you in a second. So with 50 people, there's a 97% chance that there's an overlap. That two
Yeah.
people have the same birthday.
Wow.
Oh, it's
But
guaranteed.
that seems really strange. Like, it's such a small amount of people
Compared to what?
compared to 366 people.
Yeah, isn't it interesting?
Yeah.
That's why it's sometimes called the birthday paradox.
I wonder when
It's
you
like
get over
Why is the
100.
number so low?
Wonder when you get over 100.
And by the way, you guys thought it was like 180 or 240. That's what everybody thinks when they hear this problem. Everybody thinks that. It's going to take that many people.
But 23
But it
people.
only takes 23 people. The math tells us that it only takes 23 people to have a 50-50 shot of having two people having the same birthday.
Wow.
That's pretty amazing, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty amazing. Do you guys have any questions?
No.
No.
Well, it was actually our mom's birthday today, so that's why we did it.
No, that's right. It's your mom's birthday today. So, And you want to know something funny?
What?
Your mom had the same birthday as her mom. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, high five.